Hey guys, this is our 2002 15 horsepower Merc 4-stroke outboard. We actually have it on our Avon fiberglass bottom tender. Just got it out of storage. I just put a coat of wax on it. I changed the lower end fluid. Drain it right there with the top open. You squirt it in the bottom until it comes out to the top while the motor's level, and then you put the screws in. Just takes about 5-10 minutes to do, and I just gave it a coat of wax. The oil and filter are fresh, so the next step is to see if it will start. What we call around here ear muffs. The fresh water goes in there and gets sucked through the motor to cool it, so the garden hose is hooked up to it. Again, it will force it in there. This side's really doing nothing, and we'll see if it starts up, and hopefully we'll get some fresh water shooting out of the back of the motor. And once it starts, I'll let it run for a couple minutes, make sure everything's working good. And again, I've got the tank filled with Supreme fuel. I'll prime the primer ball, and everything's hooked up on the motor, all the fuel lines. On. Tiller to the start position, which is right there. Give it a little choke on the motor, and let's see if it will start. Motor, big thing, make sure you do not put it in forward or reverse. Again, the way that these ear muffs are on, there's not much room. And let's give her another start there. So you got good water flow coming out of the motor. And there we go. So I let it run for about 5 minutes, just till the water started to warm up a little bit. Now these take a while to warm up in a larger 4-stroke. They're amazing on fuel compared to the old 2-stroke. They certainly don't have the first get up and go like a 2-stroke, if this was an equivalent 15 horsepower 2-stroke. But the fuel economy, the noise level, they're so much quieter. The only thing you have to do is, again, change your lower end fluid, change your oil and filter. Again, your oil goes in there. I do a 1030 Merc filter. Doesn't take much oil. And I lube all the moving parts, and there's a few grease points on the motor, so you got to make sure they're all greased up. And I always put a fresh coat of wax on the motor before it goes in the water. And with this boat too, it sits in the water till probably close to October. And we have a tender cover which protects all the rubber, and then I have a motor cover too, which keeps a little bit of the wear and tear and sun off the motor. Anyways guys, just a little short video on the 15 horsepower Merc.